Hi everyone, it's Paron. This summer we have a brand new camp offering for families who want to get their kids outdoors, moving and engaged in some of the key activities that have been left out by the online learning space. This 5-day camp is delivered in the beautiful Baan Rim Naam. With 40 meters of river frontage, we are being hosted in one of the most naturally ventilated spaces that we think you're going to find in Bangkok. Our Makers Workshop has an emphasis on sculpture, on craft, and students will be working with card construction, clay and cement molding, tie-dye, working with natural materials and weaving, all delivered in a way that is safe for their young hands. This will result in artwork, gifts and homewares for them to take home on the last day. We are aware that online learning has not been an ideal platform for a lot of families. And we understand that there are key skills related to collaboration, to 3D planning, to making, to understanding materials that have been sorely missed from the past 2 months. As an art school, we are attempting to counter that with a program that will awaken their senses to a broader world of creative engagement. Along with the art activities, students can expect to play games, to be led through light exercises, to enjoy the on-site garden and be guided on short art walks of the Lat Noi neighborhood. Through a better understanding of the street art, the culture, the geography, we are responding to this with a guided community art project. So, a brand new space for Paron School of Art, new materials and new processes, but all still led by our loved studio team. We look forward to seeing you soon.